Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a basic player movement in Unity using rigid body that goes 4 directions, just like this example right here. Let's get started. Alright, so here we've got a basic scene. I've just moved the camera up a little bit and added a plane and a player that I'm going to rename to a sphere that I'm going to rename to player. Alright, and now we're going to be adding a script. So let's create a C# script and let's call it movement. Open it up. Alright, so when your Visual Studio is loaded up, you can remove void start. We won't be needing that. And then we can make 2 variables. We need to make a public rigid body. Or there is another way to do this, but the best way is to do public rigid body RB. And then public float speed. These are going to control values for our speed and the rigid body that we're going to reference to. So if we go back into Unity and we click on player, we need to add a rigid body component. This is for rigid body, and then we're gonna have to add the script. We can bring rigid body into there, and we can set the speed to something like 50 for now. Once you've done that, in void update, we need an if statement. So once you've got an if statement, you can double tap tab and it'll fill it in, so you can do stuff with it. And you're gonna do input.getKey W. This will just be getting the key. If you press the W key, then it'll do this, and it will do rb.addForce, so add force. And then I'm just going to check which axis. So if we look at this, if we look at where the camera is, it's looking this way. So if we move it this way, you can see that it's adding to the Z. So we will be adding to the Z here for forward. So 0, 0, and then speed times time dot delta time. And then force mode, it is velocity change. And what this does is, whenever W key is pressed, it adds a force in the Z direction based on the speed. And we can basically copy and paste this 4 times. And we need to change it to the input.getKeys. And S will be negative, so because it's minus. And if we go to A, it needs to be to the left and right, so we'll put this on the x-axis, and we need to figure out which one is backwards. So if we go back in here, when D is pressed, we want it to go this way, which is positive x. So D is positive and A is negative. If we save this script that we've got here, we can also remove system collections and system collections.generic. We don't need that. Save it. And then if we go in, we should be able to move left and right, up and down, basic player movement. And you can also mess around with drag. I usually put drag on 10 and speed at around 100. This just makes it cleaner in my opinion, so you can stop faster. And that is how to make basic player movement. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you learned something. Recommend in the comments what you would like next. I'll see you all later.